Today I'm trying to understand how to sign up for Schoology through the parent portal. This is my first time doing it, so I'm going to register for an account. When I click this link, it'll take me to a page that explains I have to make a username with them, and then I end up using my email as the password. So you might type in your name, parent middle name. I don't know if Mickey Mouse has a last name and middle name. And then Mickey Mouse's email address. Then they ask you to re-enter it in. I am not a robot. You would press register at this moment. Once you press submit, you're going to be getting an email that tells you to follow a link to complete the setup. So if you're on a computer, you press this, or if you're using your cell phone, you can continue and just press this. If you're using the browser, again, it'll direct you to write in your email once you follow the link. It goes Mickey Mouse at Gmail. And then you're going to create a password that you can remember for the school portal. Once you create your password, you have successfully activated and set up your password. So you get to choose which of the applications you're going to complete. Today we're going to do the parent portal. It's going to take you to this screen, but instead of registering for an account, you're going to go to parent login. You'll get to the screen where it asks you again to write in that same email address. This needs to be your email address. And the password that you just set up in the last two screens. Once I logged in, it asked me if I wanted an electronic version, saving about a tree per book of the parent-student handbook, and I clicked yes. I'm going to peruse it a little bit later, find out about the different programs, and all of the rights as a parent that I have. This is a PDF that's available, so I'm going to peruse it later, just kind of move it over for right now, maybe even close it. And this is the place where you're going to be able to add your student. So in front of you, you should be holding a piece of paper that has your student's ID number that has a letter F, M, or X in it, the birth date, and a PIN. In order to log your account and have it be connected to your students, you need this information. I hope this has helped you sign into your account and look forward to working with you later this year.